Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to make a candle decoration. If you're having a dinner party or perhaps a romantic dinner for two, you might want to have a special little touch on your table. And this is a way that you can improvise a quick decoration. I'm going to take a wine glass and I'm just going to take a little silk flower. I just pulled it off of the stem just like that, and just a little bit of netting tulle and a simple tea light candle. This one is pink, rose scented, matches the flower, just gives a nice look. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to invert the wine glass over the silk flower like this, just to give that effect. And I'm going to take a little bit of the tulle and just tuck it in behind the flower to give a nice, soft, romantic look. So no matter where you are sitting at the table, you don't see the back of the flower. So it's kind of like that. Then you just take your candle, put it right there, and you have a cute little candle for any dinner party. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.